Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Smitha and I post videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays on everything related to makeup, beauty, skincare and hair. And today I'm going to show you how to get this big, voluminous, glamorous ponytail that you can wear to any special event or a party or an occasion. And this is especially popular among the Middle Eastern brides. I've seen several brides wear this look, but they do this hairdo with extensions. But I will show you how to get this hairstyle without attaching any extensions with your natural hair, and so I'll be sharing several tips and tricks. So without further ado, let's get this started. While extensions can add a lot of volume to your hair, sometimes it can get really heavy, it can tug and pull on your hair, and it can be uncomfortable, and not everybody prefers extensions. So today we will be working without extensions, and for that reason we have to find ways to add volume to your hair. I'm using a magical tool. This is called a crimper. I'm using a 2-inch crimper from Lava. Crimpers have teeth-like zigzag plates, as you can see, and that's the one that helps to add texture to your hair. And this is a very simple crimper. It just has one on-off button. While I plug it in and the crimper is getting heated up, I'm going to spray a generous amount of the Chi 44 Iron Guard all over my hair, and I will gently massage it. That way it'll prevent it from any heat damages. With the biggest section in the back, I'm going to tie a high ponytail. Make sure to use a comb to comb down all the baby hair so it looks neat. It doesn't matter what kind of an elastic you would be using, bad, good, ugly, whatever. We will be concealing it shortly, so it doesn't matter. Use any kind of elastic to tie the ponytail. Next, I'm going to be inserting this donut into my ponytail. This is easily available online or in any drugstore if you can't find it. You can also use your socks, cut off the toe of the socks, roll it and make the donut. I'm going to secure it with bobby pins before I curl the tips of my ponytail with my straightener. This is from Remington. I've included a link in the description box below. Curling the hair just adds a little bit more drama and texture and definition to your hair. You don't have to do it if you don't like it. I just like loose curls at the end of my ponytail, and that's why I'm doing it. To clean up and secure everything, I'm going to be using a hairspray. This one's from Garnier. And for finishing touches, I'm inserting this small tiara. You can use any kind of hair decoration according to your choice and preferences. And that's how you get big, voluminous, glamorous ponytail without any extensions. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and liked this look. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below. As always, I love you guys so much, and I will see you with another tutorial this Thursday. Bye guys.